What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. Okay, welcome back to another video. Today it's your host again, Chen Yu. Okay, and I will be analyzing a few currency pairs for you. Okay, I'll be talking about a few currency pairs of interest, some of which I really believe that it might move in a certain direction. Okay, as usual, I will be starting on the euro dollar here, guys. I'll be starting on the euro dollar on the monthly time frame. Let's talk about the monthly time frame. Okay, we see the price is in some kind of retracement on a larger time frame downtrend. Okay, and we can actually see the price cleared liquidity right here. Let me just use my brush. So we can see that price actually cleared liquidity here very, very clearly. Okay, and if we go down to the weekly time frame, let's try to see what price is doing on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can actually see price reacting off this very specific demand zone. Okay, this very specific demand zone over here, and it's rejecting that specific area right now. Okay, and if we go to the daily time frame to actually take a look, we look at the daily time frame, we can actually see price, we can actually refine the area of demand zone to this specific area over here, and it's currently actually bullish for the day. The daily time frame is actually bullish, as we can see on the daily time frame, and price have actually cleared the previous daily high right here. Okay, the previous daily high has literally just been cleared. However, given the current bullish pressure, it might continue heading up first. Okay, so I have marked out this zone here as an area of liquidity, one for us to take note of as well. Okay, guys. So if I go down to the lower time frame, let's talk about the 4 hour time frame instead. Okay, 4 hour time frame is closing in an hour's time, and we could possibly see that the 4 hour time frame could reject off this area here. Okay, this to retailers, you might call it resistance, or to us, it might be rejecting off this zone. However, we could actually see price hit up also. So that is not the only thing that we could possibly see. Okay, and if we go down further to the 1 hour time frame, let's talk about the 1 hour time frame. We can notice that price is doing some kind of consolidation right now. Doesn't seem like it's moving anywhere. We can see some liquidity building up below this area. Okay, that's an area for us to take note of too. Okay, so if I will go down to the 30 minutes time frame to just take a quick look. So upon clearing this daily high over here, okay, this important daily high here, we can see that price is in some kind of range currently on the lower time frame, and I believe that price can possibly hit up further first before coming back down. However, do take note that 9:30 there's news today, which is the unemployment claims, and I would really, really wonder what would it be for the USD. Okay, and if I were to go down to the other lower time frame, let's talk about the 5 minutes time frame. We see that price literally just rejected off this low over here, and this could tell us that price might be flipping bullish actually, and it might actually start to become bullish like right now, and yep. And we could see that the bullish trend might start to continue for the euro dollar, and it might actually even head up further to clear this high right here. It might do just that, guys. Okay, and if you go down to the 1 minute time frame, we can really see that rejection of the bottom. Okay, I believe that this high here looks poised to be cleared. Okay, and we will see what price does eventually. That will be it on the euro dollar. Okay, and if I go to the gold chart to take a look, I actually gave a gold forecast for you guys. Okay, I actually forecasted gold to come down to the demand zone at 1850, and actually I posted this on my TradingView. So do take note, guys. Okay, so it's this post here that I actually did on the chart of gold. I believe price can possibly heading down, and my analysis is that I believe that the bearish trend price action will take over the bull market, all this short-term consolidatory movement, and go down further, and it could potentially touch the lower areas, the bottom areas at 1840, which is the important point of interest, which is the demand zone. Okay. Also, I have also marked out an important point of interest right here, which is the supply zone. And I just want to bear in mind that price could potentially head up to clear that area before coming back down. All in all, I believe that gold is bearish, okay, because it has broken structure on the larger time frame, and I believe it could potentially hit down further. Okay, that would be it on gold. But if I were actually to come down to the lower time frame to take a look, sorry about that. Let's go down to the lower time frame to take a look, guys. Okay, we see price also very, very consolidatory right now. Okay, we see this high here being respected. Okay, this could be a potential lower high that's being formed over here for price to continue hitting downwards. However, if you go down to the 5 minutes time frame to take a look, let me remove my drawings. If you go down to the 5 minutes time frame to take a look, guys, we can actually see some very, very clear price action. Okay, what I mean by that is that you can very, very clearly see that this, sorry, it's really, give me one second, that this high here has been taken out. Okay, it's really ugly chart. Okay, sorry, this high here has been taken out very clearly. Okay, and then we can see that price actually rejected and is in some kind of range currently. Okay, this doesn't seem like a very nice range that it is currently at. Okay, price is very, moving in such consolidatory fashion. We might actually see price continue start to break the lows and start to hit down, but we will see how the news happen to move. Because the upcoming news at 9:30, which will be 20 minutes later, it's very, very crucial because it's talking about the unemployment claims of the USD, and to see whether the non-farm payrolls last week is really, really like what they say, like the USD is so resilient. And if the unemployment claims come out to improve, and there's a decrease in the unemployment claims, we might see Euro USD or gold or currency pairs that's against the USD to start heading back down. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. So that will be it on gold, and that will be it on Euro USD. Personally, I believe that Euro USD has potential to continue hitting up, but I believe that it is possibly due to come back down to clear some bottom areas, such as this, imbalance area here, or some of these liquidity zones that I've marked out, right below here as well. So that will be it from me today, guys, and do subscribe to us, do like our videos. It really means the most to us. Okay, and I would like to see you guys back here again next week. We will not be heading live on Friday, and do trade safe for any of you guys who are currently trading or in the markets. Okay, so make sure to remain vigilant in the market, because that is extremely important. Okay, just like what I said just now, the news is coming up. There's news that is happening at 9:30, and do make sure that you really keep an eye out on that movement or the news. Okay, just like I've mentioned, I believe that gold or Euro USD have potential to hit down, and it is wise for us to just analyze the market and perhaps sit back because there's news coming up. Unless some of you guys, the trading plan revolves around trading news. Okay, so that'll be it from me today, guys, and I'll catch you guys again next week. All right, see you guys. Bye.